everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanjita. So I was very excited to shoot this video as this is my first ever haul video, and I was very excited to shoot. My video got delayed just because I ordered my stuffs on 2 consecutive days. So one parcel I received earlier and the other I received a bit late. So there were various brands that were on huge discount, so I did not let that opportunity slip from my hand. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video to see what I got from the sale. So first of all, I'll start off with some essentials and daily use items. So to start off with, I purchased this hand sanitizer from the brand Kaya. So I love this travel size packaging because it is very efficient and very useful to keep. So yeah, this was one of the essential items that I got. And the next item is my absolute favorite. I remember I got this hand cream once as a gift from Plum. I purchased the green tea range from their website, so I got it as a gift. But I loved the I loved that hand cream so much that I was obsessed with it, and then I thought of purchasing one more. This is in the variant wild cherries and kiwi. This smells like this has got a very rich cherry smell. Or I'll quickly show. I'll just open the packaging here. I'll quickly show the texture. So this hand cream is actually not runny, it's very thick, and oh my god, it smells amazing. This fragrance stays for a long time. This fragrance keeps on lingering, so it is a must buy. So yeah, that was my second purchase. This hand cream cost, the actual cost of this hand cream is 450, and I got it at 363 I guess, because Plum, the brand Plum, was having 25% off, so I got it at a discount. So yes, this was definitely a steal deal for me. Essential product is this Nivea deodorant in the variant Fresh Flower. This is again my absolute favorite deodorant. I have earlier, it used to come in a cap packaging, like it had a cap on the top, but now it comes in this twisted pattern. Like if you twist it, it opens and then it closes. This is it. It stays for a long time, and the actual price of this is 199, but I got it for rupees, I guess I got it for rupees 139 or 129, I don't remember exactly. But yes, Nivea was also having a discount of up to 40% off, so I guess I got a discount of 30% or 25%. I'm not sure about that. I have to check. Another product that I'll be showing you is a cult favorite of many as well as mine. This is my absolute go-to product. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So I got this pack where you get 2 kajals for rupees 338. So the actual price of a Colossal Kajal is rupees 180, but you get it for 338, which is quite effective. All the beginners out there, and for all the people who are wondering that which kajal should they go for, I would highly recommend this kajal because this is very pigmented. This kajal is very pigmented. It is smudge free, it does not budge, and it stays for a long time. So yes, this gets 5 out of 5 from me. I'm going to show you what makeup products I got from the Hot Pink sale. I am very excited because I'm a makeup lover. So yeah, so to begin with, yes, the first thing is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Earlier I used to use the Color Bar Perfect Match primer. I didn't like the product much because I didn't see any difference after applying it. I have got this pores, so I need some primer that blurs out my pores and makes my skin even. Many good review about this product. That's why I purchased it, and the actual price of this product is $549, but I got it for $439, I guess. So I'll quickly show you how it looks. This is the outer packaging. This outer packaging is quite cute, and the inner packaging also, the bottle comes in a white and pink tube, and I'll show you the consistency. This is the first time that I'm opening it. Okay, it has got this gel-like consistency, and I'll just quickly see. Okay, that much of a product I think is enough for using it all over your face. You can see it is not, it has got silicones, but it is not that silicone-y as Color Bar Match Perfect primer feels like. This is quite nice. It's very smooth on the skin. I like it. So I'll definitely give it a try in my upcoming makeup tutorial, and I'll tell you what I find about this particular product. Now the next product that I got, there are two foundations that I got. One is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This I got for my mother, and this I got for myself. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation. This, I know this is a very popular foundation, so I'm going to try it out very soon to see what actually it matches the claims or not. I heard many good reviews about this foundation, so I thought of purchasing it and giving it a try. This is a full coverage foundation. Earlier I used to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour long stay foundation. That was also a full coverage foundation, but that is a bit expensive from the Maybelline one. That costs around 1200 rupees, but the actual cost of this foundation is rupees 750, but I got it for rupees 525 only because Maybelline was at 30% off. So yeah, that was quite a steal deal. And the second foundation is this Nykaa Anti-Pollution Skin Shield Foundation in the shade 05. 05 is Nude Delight. I got it for my mother. I love this foundation. I have my shade also. I use the shade 07. I use the shade 07 Hot Honey. I use this shade Hot Honey, and this is 05 Nude Delight. I like tube packaging because there is not much of wastage of product, and I love this foundation. This is my go-to foundation, so I recommended it to my mother. I would highly recommend this foundation to person who wants their base makeup to look very natural and skin-like, not too made up. So I would highly recommend this foundation. The actual cost of this foundation is $799, and I got it for rupees 479, which is quite a steal deal. The next product is also from Nykaa. This is their Glamour Eyes kajal or eye pencil. The actual price of this is I guess 450 and I got it for rupees 318 I guess. I love these colored pencil. I have 4 of them. This is the 5th one that I have purchased, and this is in the shade Blue Hex. This is a very nice neon blue color. I'll just quickly show you the color. You can see the color. This is a very nice vibrant neon blue color. I love this color. I have seen Ashna Shroff wearing this blue color, so that time only I decided to purchase this, but I was waiting for the sale to come, so yes, I got it at a very good discount. The next product is the concealer from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Medium Tawny, and the actual price of this concealer is 399 and I got it for rupees 299 or 350, I don't remember exactly. I'll open the seal in front. So yeah, I have opened it. It has this kind of applicator, comes in the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well. And just quickly swatch the shade. Okay, this is a thick concealer. This concealer has got thick consistency, unlike Maybelline Fit Me concealer or LA Girl Pro Long Wear concealer. So yes, I'm going to give it a try soon and I'll let you guys know. The next and the final product that I got is from NYX. This is their tinted brow mascara. I was confused between the Nykaa brow mascara and this one, but I heard good reviews about this mascara, so and in Nykaa brow mascara they did not have got many shades. They had only one shade, but here they had got 3 shades and I got the shade Black Noir because my eyebrows are thick. So I thought of going for the black one. So I'll try this. I'm very excited to try it out because I haven't ever used any brow mascara. I've only used brow pencils. So I'm very excited to try this product out and I'll tell you guys in my upcoming videos about this product. That was all I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale 2020. And I'll soon give you reviews about the product which I like and which I did not in my upcoming videos. For that you need to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you loved watching this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. And yeah, until next time, see you, bye.